Hello everybody, my name is Sky and today we're gonna discover the colors of the nature. Catch me if you can! You can find the color green anywhere. And did you know there's not just one kind of green? There's light green and there's dark green.
You have different shades of green. What color is this? I see it's a bit red, no? Of course there's a bee.
Look, there are yellow flowers on the ground. And there are some yellow flowers in that tree. And so many leaves.
Yellow and white too.
Guys.
You found
green.
and green, of course.
And brown because there's
Of course.
Ooh, opposite.
How many colors did we find so far?
Four. Did you say white because of the dandelion?
Yeah, but this one is orange. Got there.
A dandelion. It has white seeds. Look. And a bit of brown.
What do you usually do with dandelions?
Make a wish, but it's just a myth. Check those flowers. There's so many colors. And look at that red tree. It's red. There's orange and yellow flowers in the same time. And there's red flowers like roses and pink ones. And orange and orange and orange and white and pink. And there's one yellow one there.
Yeah. Nice. Did you say?
There's so many flowers here. Some of them are blue.
Ooh, I love this tree. It's purple.
These flowers are blue. And look at these. These are blue. And look at these. Look at this.
Nice.
Thanks. And I got another one. Oh, and look at this pink one. There's a white one there. Right?
No. So what colors did you find in nature so far?
Purple, red, white, pink, yellow, green. What else?
Green.
Yellow. I like that yellow.
Definitely green.
I like the green. You should check the video if I said green. And white. I said white.
Hey Sky, you see the color blue in nature? Look up.
Oh, the sky.
This.
And my name is Sky.
Yeah.
I am the sky.
Do you know why the sea is blue?
Because it's sky reflection.
Ooh. And why is the sky blue?
Because there's blue gas in the sky.
It's the gas that
But
gives
in
it.
real life, the sky doesn't have any color.
Okay.
The 9 colors that we discovered in nature were pink, purple, brown, blue, orange, yellow, white, green, and red.
If you want to see it to 10, watch another video.